Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we are back with another brand new video. And this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Sparkasse bank account. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do it for the browser version, because officially the app version is not available in our country because it's a Germany bank and I don't live in Germany, so its app is not available in my Play Store and App Store. But I have loaded up a website which is going to teach you how you guys can log in even if you're using the app. So you can read this if you're using an app. I'm going to read this in a second, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So if you're using an app, open the app and press button Embedding. So this is basically called login but in Germany, and give yourself a new password for opening the app, which means you need to create yourself a PIN code first. Then select your financial institution by typing this and confirm your input, and your online banking is now all set up. So this is for the app version. Now for the online version, you want to search for login Sparkasse online banking account on your search engine. I'm using Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Whichever search engine you're searching for, it's going to show you the same result. Over here, click on login online banking Berlin Sparkasse. Make sure it takes you to Berliner Sparkasse.de. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. Over here, it's going to be in Germany. If you want to translate it, you can click on this little icon over here, and which is going to say translate this page. Click on English. This page is going to be translated to English. It's going to take a bit of time. Once it's translated, you can understand what's written over here. You can choose your login name over here. After entering your login name, you need to enter the PIN code of your account. After you enter the PIN code, you can click on sign up securely, and you should be able to log in into your Sparkasse account if the login name and PIN code you entered is correct. And if you want some safety instruction, you can click on it over here. And if you forgot your login details, you can always click on forgot your login in order to recover your login details like your PIN code over here. All right. So hope you guys can log in into Sparkasse. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. See you guys next time. Until then, bye bye.